Hello all, today we will talk about creating own bot. We will create new Q&A bot. We will fill his data with knowledge base based on URL with the frequently asked questions, and we will send some questions to this bot. Microsoft created, I would say, proxy site to create the Q&A bot. First of all, we need to create a knowledge base to fill data of our bot. So let's create this right now. We need also to create QnA service, and it will redirect us to Azure. Let's fill all of the data and hit the create button to have our QnA service. Deployment is in progress, so let's wait 2 seconds. Deployment succeeded. Let's move back to the QnA maker, refresh the site to load our QA service. And let's fill all of the data here. As you can see, we have QnA service available. Let's name our knowledge base. And here we need to populate data for our knowledge base. We can, for example, use static files, PDF, doc, XLSX files, or we can post URL to, for example, frequently asked questions. For our demo, I will use the IKEA frequently asked question site. So let's copy URL, paste it. Also, we can select the personality of our bot. Will it be more professional, friendly, or the comic one? Let's choose the professional and create our knowledge base. It can also take a few seconds, so let's wait for that. And here, as you can see, we have all of the questions and answers taken from the IKEA's frequently asked questions page. We can edit the question, delete some of them, and also add new ones. So we can click add Q&A pair and fill the question and fill the answers. Also, at the end, we have some predefined text, so our bot will be more friendly. So if we said, for example, I love music, it will answer it's nice to have things you love. So right now let's test our bot. We can of course say hello at the beginning and ask some basic questions. And let's try to find out something more interesting. So for example, let's ask him about tracking orders. So let's use normal sentence, not just a key phrase or something like that. So let's put as you can see, it gets correct answer where I can track my order. So for example, let's also put another sentence. As you can see, it's working quite good. So right now, let's save our bot and publish it. We can see that our bot is already published, so we have this address and we can send predefined post with the question, and we will get answer from our bot. So let's give it a try. We need the post. And authorization. And here we need to put our question. As you can see, after sending question, we have in the answer we have a questions which is indexed in our bot, so it's trying to match our question to this item. It presents the answer and the scoring, so how relevant is our call. We can test also some key phrase here. And as you can see, the score is higher than it was previously. As you can see, creating QnA bot is very simple in Azure. All what we need to do is just follow a few steps, fill the knowledge base by providing files or URL with the question and answer, and that will be it. Our bot service is published after a few minutes and it's ready to send some question to it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.